Welcome everyone to the demo day in February 2020. You'll see 4 presentations. All the bootcampers are sitting over there. So welcome guys, you've made it.
The programming part, interesting in the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, all those, basically the use of data to make decisions.
We were challenged by Santa Lucia,
FinTonic,
MST, Investing.com.
We promised we're gonna find the solution, the easiest and the fastest way we can.
Thank you very much and congrats. I mean, on your case, it was a great surprise.
What is the most difficult issue that you need to face regarding the data preparation?
I was really impressed about how familiar are you with the model validation. No, it's great.
Well done, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations everyone.